Hello everyone, welcome to the Momentum Moves weekly video series. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. So last week, being a truncated week, we have seen markets trading in a gap up and gap down scenarios, and this has been the scenario for last couple of weeks now. And these are basically the difficult times for traders to trade when markets open in gap up or gap down. Generally, the trades are sometimes in your favor, sometimes out of your favor. Executing the fresh trades in the morning is slightly difficult because the stop loss or risk to reward is not favorable. So gaps are generally very much difficult to trade. And if you remember the fab gap, so if I just show the chart over here, and if you look at the red lines, the big red lines, the fab gap where we have seen gap up opening and a runaway momentum to the all-time high, that gap has been filled now, and the upper band of the gap, which was acting as a support, is now turning out to be acting as a resistance zone. So if you look at the black circles mark, they are acting as a resistance now. And again, the gaps are generally the scar when you are trading, and these are always being remembered. And if you look at the last week gaps of around 14,559, and above that even at around 14,700, 14,750 zone, we have seen a gap. So that two gaps will really be a game changer, and if those gaps are not taken out, we think that the bears are in control. And certainly looking at the last week momentum, even on Friday, the last hour, we have seen some selling pressure coming out on the markets, and markets been right from around 14,400 sub ended back toward 14,300 levels. So these caps will act as a scare as of now for me. I think till 14,600 is not taken out, all chances that 14,000 can be tested on the downside. And why 14,000 is, if you look at the start of the series, 14,000 calls, puts have been aggressively written down, and the premium has been taken care. So overall, even the momentum, if you look at the weekly week, the dojis are being formed. So 14,051, yes, will act as a support, but with, I think that a trap could be there. A retest of the, or the low is being broken down, the trap could happen, stop loss could hit out. And if I just look at the time cycle in the lower panel, if you look at the time cycle which been drawn over there, and as per the time cycle, I believe that the next week, especially from 27 to 29, will be very much crucial for bulls. And during this time, if bulls manage to take a good reversal back, so lows of 27 to 29 Feb, 27 to 29 April will be very much crucial. And if we are holding on a weekly scale those gap, and the following week we see a bullish momentum, that gaps will make a major bottom, or you can say a buying stop loss can be placed below those levels. So next week, yes, being a monthly expiry as well, I think that reversal could take place, and definitely should look for 27 to 29th of April, where I'm expecting the bottoming out should take place, especially the short term bottom out. Yes, 14,600 will be a key level to watch out in the coming weeks, but this could be the levels you should land before, in case before hitting the lows, and we are heading towards above 14,600. Yes, I think 14,151 will be a key support zone. The second chart over here I would like to show is again the script in the news falling off the cliff. You got it right, Bitcoin. Now if you look at the Bitcoin, we have seen 63,000 back to the below 50,000 levels now. And the political, or I would say the tax drama, seems to be a continuing. One of the founder of the crypto has been missing. So all these things are coming, and this is nothing new for Bitcoin falling off the cliff, recovering back. And this time, I believe that if you have missed the rally, this is a time to enter. Why? First, if you look at the red lines, a major support zone of 44,000 could act. The previous lows will act as a major support. Second, if I just look at the blue, the harmonic, bullish harmonic, the bullish shark structure is being forming, and it is indicating the reversal at around 45,000, 45,500. Third, the GAN fan support. If the GAN fan support is at some around 46,500. So if I just look at this structure, and if we look at the previous breakout which have happened at 44,000, 44,500 level, is been retested, and the retest I'm expecting that could complete it 78-79 days, which is possible probably completing in the next week as well. So keep a watch on that 27-28 Feb, plus or minus couple of days here and there will be a key for Bitcoin, and if these supports are held strongly, 45,000, 46,000 supports, and I'm expecting that the reversal could take place. And if we find those reversals coming in those dates, the major rally towards 75,000 cannot be ruled out in the next leg of bullish momentum. So keep a watch on Bitcoin as well, between 45 46,000, and next week could be the very much crucial for Bitcoin as well with Nifty. So just to conclude, Nifty, yes, the time cycle says next week could be the major bottom, as well as Bitcoin says the time cycle the next week would be very much crucial for the bulls. Nifty 14,000, 13,960 probably could be the reversal zone, and 14,600 will be minor hurdle for bulls. Bitcoin, look for 45,000, 46,000 as a key reversal zone in the next week. Before signing off, I request click on the subscribe button and do comment how do you feel about video, and these feedbacks are very much helpful for us for an upcoming videos. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.